जय शेवा गोंडी भाषते self introduction. It is a self introduction conversation between two candidates. First of all, in Gondi, Meva Bata Porol. What is your name? Meva means your, Bata means what, Porol means name, means what is your name, what means Batal, your means Meva, name means Porol. It is the meaning of what is your name. In Gondi, Miva Batal Porol. Nava Porol Mangam Vishamrao. My name is Mangam Vishamrao. My means Nava. Nava Porol Mangam Vishamrao. My name is Mangam Vishamrao. Name means Porol. In the same way, Mevor Bhavana Bata Porol. What is your father name? Mevor means your. Father means Baval. Porol means name. So, what is your father name? Itake Mevor Bhavana Bata Porol. My Mavor Bhavana Porol Mangam Manikrao. My father name is Mangam Manikrao. Mavor means my father means Baval. Porol means name. So Mavor Bhavana Porol Mangam Manikrao. My father name is Mangam Manikrao. In the same way, Ihne. In the same way means Ihne. What is your mother name? Means Meva Beyena Bata Porol. What is your mother name? Hane Mava Beyena Porol Mangam Lakshmi Bai. My mother name is Mangam Lakshmi Bai. My means Mava. Mava Beye means mother. Porol means name. So Mava Beyena Porol Mangam Lakshmi Bai. My mother name is Mangam Lakshmi Bai. In the same way, Ahne, what is your village name? Meva Natna Porol Batal. Meva means your. Meva Natna. Natna means village. Porol means name. What means Batal? Meva Natna Bata Porol means what is your village name? Mava Natna Porol Mattadiguda. My village name is Mattadiguda. Itake our village name is Mattadiguda. In the same way, Meva Mandalta Bata Porol. What is your name of the Mandal? Mava Mandalta Porol Utnur. Our Mandal name is Utnur. In the same way, Ahne, what is your district name? What is your district name? Itake Meva Jillata Porol Batal. Meva Jillata Porol Batal. Mava Jillata Porol Adilabad. Mava means our. Jillata Porol means district's name is Adilabad. In the same way, and Ahne, what is your state name? In Gondi, Miva Rastamna Batal Porol. Miva Rastamna Bata Porol. Mava Rastamna Porol Telangana means our state name is Telangana. In the same way, Ahne, what is your country name? What is your country name? In Gondi, Miva Deshamna Bata Porol. Miva Deshamna Bata Porol. Miva means yours. Desha means country. What means Bata? Bata Porol. Mava Deshamna Porol. Bharat Desham means our country name is India. This Mava video nachiteke meetu this video tonu subscribe kiyana, share, comment, like kiyana. If anyone likes our video, please subscribe our channel, share, comment, like. Thank you very much for watching this video.